If you are using advanced Excel and want to a dynamic list of Roman numerals generated instantly without dragging, then use this formula. For this, you need to click on the empty cells where you want to Roman numerals to be appeared up. Put the equal sign, type Roman, open the bracket, type sequence sequence and open the bracket and put the number where you want the vertical array of Roman numbers to be appeared, for example 100, and close the bracket and again close the bracket to complete the formula and just hit enter. And here you can see that Excel has generated auto Roman numbers in Excel 1 to 100. You can simply change the number, for example 10, it will be cut to the 10. And if you want to make it to 500, you can easily change it for 500 like this one. So this way you can combine the dynamic array magic of the sequence function with the Roman function in advanced Excel. With just one simple formula, you can generate 10, 50 or even 1000 plus Roman numerals automatically. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more quick Excel hacks. Thanks for watching.